Onions are caramelized with green chilies in oil and ghee to make the perfect base for this lamb curry. The lamb is then added and lightly browned. Ginger and garlic paste is also added. A spice blend is made and water is added to dissolve it, and this is then poured over the meat. Dried fenugreek, Kasuri Methi are added together with tomato paste for color. Finally, yogurt is added. I like it spicy, so I like to add more chili powder and garam masala before mixing it. Water is added and this is cooked till tender. Finally, coriander is added before serving. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a really simple lamb masala. I'm going to show you how you can make this in your own home and you're going to get fall of the bone, delicious meat and a scrumptious gravy. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with heating some oil and I will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next, I'm going to saute 2 cups of sliced onions. The onions are going to take some time to saute. I'm going to add some salt to help caramelize the onions faster. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of green chilies. Once the onions have caramelized and softened, I'm just going to push this to one side and I'm going to add in the meat. I have 2.2 pounds of lamb. This is 1 kilo. Bowl, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and I'm just going to mix this to dissolve. The meat is sauteing and now I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add all of the spice paste and mix it in. Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Just crush them between your fingers to help release the aroma. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This is mostly for color. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt. And because I like it spicy, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder as well as 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix this well together. Add a cup of water and cover this to cook. Now I'm just going to cook this on low for about 60 minutes, stirring at intervals. If it starts to thicken, add more water and keep cooking this, and also don't forget to check for salt and add it to taste. You can also pressure cook this if you prefer. Finally, when the lamb is tender and the gravy is luscious, add some chopped coriander and serve. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and simple recipe for lamb masala. If you like my videos, guys, give me a thumbs up. Do leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. And if you love my recipes, share them with your family and friends. And don't forget, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.